Hey guys, this is Jesus Puentes. We're here at VibeHub. I'm a singer, and today you guys are going to get to know a little bit about me. It's hard to say exactly what inspired me. It's just always kind of been a part of my life. Like I've been in choir since I was a little kid, so it's probably my dad though, because I grew up around music and he's shown me how to sing since I was a little kid. So probably my dad, most likely. So when did I start singing? Actually preschool. That was a long time ago. I was in a little kids choir back then, and I basically did it through elementary school, and I was in a barbershop choir. That was pretty exciting back in middle school. And then just ever since high school and after that, I've been singing at home ever since. Where do I see my future going in music? I'm not entirely sure. This is actually kind of a new thing for me, as far as, professional singing or anything like that. So I'm just taking it one little bit at a time and see where this leads me in the future. My favorite artist, that would have to be two people. That would be Frank Sinatra and my dad. So Frank Sinatra, I call him like the king of the spoken word, or the spoken song. So every single word that he says, you can understand. The diction is like perfect, like right on. And then my dad, because he's actually really good at bringing people in as he's singing. So oftentimes when I go to where he works, as I see him singing, I look at the people, they're just like, oh, he like pulls people into the story or into the moment of the song. A hidden talent, or something that most people would know about me, is probably that I like to write a lot. So as much as I like to sing, I actually like to write as well. I like doing stories, and I don't know, I like taking people's imaginations to different awesome places. And I like doing that through the song as well as through stories as well. A word of advice? I'd have to say probably the same advice that my grandfather gave my dad, and the same thing that he then gave to me. And that's that one's fortune is like a bald man, or like the hair of a bald man. So imagine that, a person who's going bald, the hair goes away and it never comes back. So whenever you get an opportunity, you have to reach out and grab it at that moment, because you have no idea when and if that opportunity will come back to you again. Okay, so if you guys liked what you've seen so far, my name is Jesus Puentes. You can catch me on YouTube at Jesus, J-E-S-U-S-P, and you can find all my videos, singing, and everything like that. So yeah, see you guys all later at the contest.